Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I hope you are all really well. Thank you for making the decision to watch this video. It has been a really long time since I've posted on YouTube, so if you are watching this, thank you so much for your support. So I thought I would come back with a very simple bedroom clean, something that I really needed to get done this week. It was just a bit of kind of, spring cleaning. The weather was quite sunny this week until it started snowing towards the end. That was quite strange. So yeah, we're going to do a bedroom clean, starting with stripping everything off the bed and then using my super duper gadget that I love at the moment, this Gleaner lint brush. I will link it down below if you would like to shop it on my Amazon shop. I honestly use this for everything. The bed head, the lampshades, you name it, it gets used. And then I'm going to wipe down my surfaces. Honestly, if I was going to tell you that I am behind on my cleaning, I don't think anyone would really believe me, but I'm actually really behind on so many things. Life with 2 kids is busy. And actually, I was talking to my mum about this yesterday, and we were saying, no one really prepares you for that jump from 1 to 2. Everyone talks about having 1 child, but the jump from 1 to 2 is mega, and you end up just being busy constantly. So having some time to clean my bedroom was actually quite nice. Again, as you can see, really behind on my cleaning, and I've also become super slack at putting things away. I used to be meticulous at our old house. I used to be on top of things all the time, tidying every day. The house was spotless, it was clean. Now, I really don't care so much. I don't know if any other mums, or generally just some people, can relate to me when I say that. There's just other things that need to be done rather than tidying away. And actually my Instagram has become a bit of a place where I share a lot more of the reality of how we live, which is nice. It's quite refreshing. But I am slowly and surely on Instagram trying to find ways to bring you some more kind of interesting content, with sort of cleaning hacks and decluttering ideas. And I'll also be sharing these here on YouTube as time goes on. In fact, I already know what I'm filming next week, which is another bedroom one, and then probably the week after that I'll film another bedroom one, which will be a kind of declutter under the bed with me. So we'll slowly make our way around the house. But yeah, here's me wiping down my mirrors. These obviously get covered in hand marks. Freya and Olivia both absolutely love going inside this wardrobe and hiding. So yeah, it just gets absolutely covered in little finger marks, and I'm okay with that. It's what makes a house a home, right? So once I finished that, the bedding was dry. I mean, actually I filmed this later in the day. It took ages for these things to dry. I'm so looking forward to getting my washing outside on the line. It's, spring is coming, right? Let's just keep saying spring is coming. But how handy is this little zip thing on the Emma mattress? I had actually not known that you could do that. So yeah, and then I'm going to put my sheet back on, and I learned a handy trick where if you put the label on the bottom left-hand corner, or right-hand corner as you're looking at it like I just did, you will get your mattress to fit, your sheet on your mattress to fit perfect every single time. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, look at that. First try. This, however, I really struggle with. I like to turn my bed sheet, or the duvet cover, inside out before I put it on, and then I kind of flip it over upside down. But our duvet is so heavy. I think it's a 12 tog maybe, and it's just really heavy. It's cozy, perfect for this time of year, but changing the bed is honestly like going to the gym. And I've been doing a lot of that lately, but yeah, I still really struggle with this. Yeah, I made that look quite easy actually watching it back, but it really wasn't at the time. Yeah, so then I'm going to zip up or button up all the buttons, and then eventually put this back on the bed. Apparently there's quite a lot of buttons, but yeah, I did a good job. So yeah, as I kind of mentioned, I've been going to the gym quite a lot recently. I found it's so good for my mental health. I was really struggling a lot of last year, just mentally, and it has been nice to go out, meet new people, exercise, and feel good about myself again. I am currently injured, I've hurt my knee, but I'm really excited. I've also got a few sort of challenges that I've set myself this year. One of them being a 10k like Norwich run. It's called Run Norwich, where we live. And I'm super excited about it. I'm not a runner, I'm absolutely terrible at it. But one thing that I really, really wanted to achieve this year was to get a medal and to have my children stand on the sideline cheering me on. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Anyway, so after I'd put all the bed back together, as you saw, I got my new Shark cordless anti-hair wrap vacuum out. Now this thing is amazing, and Shark have some really, really good spring offers on at the moment. So this has two settings. It has one for hard floor, one for carpet, and then it has a max button. And I used the max button on this carpet as it was covered in sock fluff, and it did a really, really, really good job. So I will also link this down below for you as well, because they really have some amazing savings on for this spring cleaning time of year. I've also got a tin of paint sitting there that's been sitting there for a year to paint our bedroom, and I just honestly haven't got around to doing it. So that brings us to the end of this video. Sorry it was really short, but I'll be back next week with something new to share with you.